Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use paper towels to possibly save your life in this crisis. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Chris, this is Dirty Trucker 08, and today, like I said, we're going to use these paper towels. Now, one thing they say in the commercials is these things are super absorbent. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to assume that they absorb anything that wants to come out of your vents and kill you. So what do you need? You need a roll of paper towels. I am here in the Deedle, and the Deedle has 4 vents, not including the dash vent that I didn't think about, so don't turn that on. Just don't turn that on. What you want to do is take some paper towels. Mine come in strips that are about the size of my face. They're face size. Face strips. You could do one of these kind of things. Stay safe. No. Anyway. Paper towels. I'm going to show you what to do. Alright, so first, locate your vents. 1 and 2. There's one over there and one over there. But video. Vents. Paper towels. Take a paper towel. 1 will suffice. Fold it in half so you get double the protection. There are 2 different kinds of methods for applying these paper towels to those vents. 1, tape. Tape on the corners, put it over the vent, tape it down. Or, number 2, take the paper towel, fold it in half, kind of curl it a little bit, open the vent slightly, and shove it in there. And then open it back up. Just like that. The air coming out will be, the paper towel will absorb any of the badness that's coming out trying to get you. You might have to struggle a little bit if your vents are like mine and they want to keep closing. Shove it in, open it back up. Voila! Now you are protected from the vent stuffs. And that's what you want to do. You want to take your vents, cover them, wedge it in, fold it back out so it covers the vent, so anything coming out of the vent, the bad stuff is being absorbed into the paper towels, and you're safe. The most important thing to remember, though, make sure you have your recirculator turned on. That way you're recirculating. You don't just want to be pulling in air from outside all the time. That's where the bad stuff is. It'll get you. The air that's inside is already safe. It's clean. It's been absorbed by these guys right here. Absorbing. They're taking care of all the badness for you. That way you are protected and are able to watch more awesome videos from people like me. Alright guys, I realize this was a total spoof. Paper towels are not going to keep you safe, but we've got to do something to keep a little bit lighthearted during all of this. I hope you guys are staying safe, self-quarantining? I hope you guys are staying safe, staying inside, outside as little as possible. Hermits are loving this, aren't they? But I will see you next time. Thanks for hanging out.